by the pillies. Me money live weight and the blood clot midget. This a champ.
Yo, madden. Yo. If you not listen to Sojie TV entertainment, you must be full to bumbo.
Them pussy they a skimmage. So me go get the money up. Say me
Yes, Wagwan viewers and subscriber, all y'all doing? From here, device, it's a boy Sojie TV Entertainment, you know, man. I say happy Sunday to you all, you know, man. No joke, I say the artist that goes by the name Hataklapz. You see, and in Japan song title Rich Man 8 days ago. You see me? Yeah, man, is an artist who come from the North Coast, you know, man. And I play same way, you know. You don't know, so there's a lot of hidden talent there, and I play same way. I want to break through. And the artist, yeah, one of them said way. I mean, I say viewers and subscriber. You can see say artist is a promising artist. No joke. You see me? Yeah, man, watch him on music video them. Check out in catalog of song. Hear him style and clarity. Yeah. He might deliver good viewers and subscribers. The artist I just want some support. You see me? Some want to know guys to go over there. Go over Hataklapz page. Make him know say a Sojie TV Entertainment sending you over there. You see me? I don't know say I review me over here so I deal with viewers and subscribers. You don't know the thing going on. It's been a while. You don't hear my voice. But I don't know we there. I do the right thing. Said we. You see me? I just a moment where we upon in a man. Cause I don't know so we put in a lot of work in a want see how we work a go on. So you know more while we not go drop no video. We just watch and see how the video them we drop a go on. You see it? Cause sometimes I can't put in work, you know. I not see no result, you know. So that's why more while you know see me drop no review. Cause you don't know Sojie TV Entertainment out here put in a lot of work. You see me? So we want to see we fans them a tune in. We want to see subscribe them a jump in. We want to see likes. We want to see share. We want to see comments them. You see me? Yeah. We want to see producer them and the artist them a tune in. And I say yes Sojie TV I hit this. You see me? And I say yes viewers and subscribers. I like how the music video set. It clean like pilly clean. You see me? And most I dog them in the music video, you know, man. Me know I dog them in the man. You see, no joke. Yes. And I say man like Carl Taylor, you see me? Mali Dan is an artist that said we, you know, man. So on the tune in for the artist Vivo said we make the artist know say a Sojie TV Entertainment sending you over there. Now make you listen to some more song. On Jeds.
can rapper. We run the line at Red Ring Grabber. Dog me.
We run the line hot. Redowin Grabber. I mean, I say viewers and subscriber. This song produced by Sprawler Records, you know, man. You see me? And it's shot and dice up by HD Production JA. You see me? You know, big up on yourself, you know, man. For your support the artist, you know. I mean, I say, yo, Jim. Big up your bumbuckler self, you know. Sprawler gang. I mean, I say, yes. Hataklapz. Go and do the right thing, you know, man. You see me? Not afraid for link Sojie TV Entertainment and say, yo, music video go drop in a youth. Tune in, you see me? You don't know, say, support, you know. I mean, I say, viewers and subscriber, if you guys haven't go over Hataklapz Vivo, go subscribe. Go over there now and go subscribe. Make him know, say, a Sojie TV Entertainment sending you over there. I mean, I say, viewers and subscriber, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on the video, you know. Tell a friend say Sojie TV over here. And if you don't have no underground artists, no upcoming artists, no artists who want me to review, send them cross. Maybe not do it same time, but you don't know, you put in the work. I mean, I say, big up the ladies, them in a music video said where them look clean, them are going it themselves. You see me? Yes. I mean, I say, yo, on Jeds, viewers and subscribers, I want you guys to have a beautiful Sunday now. You see me? I'm out.
Me clothes clean, me never dirty up. Me going big, me still